Different legs.
Kangaroo.
Different shells. Different shells. Different legs.
Wandaratawun. I am Dora.
I am Trevor.
Today we are going to teach you how to say whether you are a girl or a boy. Last lesson we learned the Guugu Yimithirr words.
Ngayu I, Nundu you.
Turn to your partner. What is the Guugu Yimithirr word for I?
Yes, Ngayu means I.
Turn to your partner and tell the Guugu Yimithirr word for you.
Yes, Nundu means you.
Today we are going to remember these words.
Gabiirr Girl, Yarrga Boy.
I am girl.
Track the word as I speak.
Ngayu Gabiirr. Gabiirr is girl. Say Gabiirr.
Again,
Say Gabiirr.
one more time.
Say Gabiirr. Girls, say to your partner that you are a girl. If you're a boy, listen to see if your partner says Ngayu Gabiirr correctly. Say to your partner that you are a girl.
I am a boy. Ngayu Yarrga.
Track the word as I speak.
Ngayu Yarrga. Yarrga is boy. Say Yarrga.
Again,
Say Yarrga.
one more time.
Say Yarrga.
Say to your partner whether they are a boy or a girl. Find another partner and tell them too. And this is the end of the lesson. Well, it's time for us to go now. So goodbye from me. Bye.
Namagara.